Hi, here's the question for this month coming in from a reader. And they would like to know, is there a quick way to compare three companies side by side? They want to look at United Health Group, CVS, and Cigna. All three companies are in the healthcare plan industry. And the reader would also like to see the ROA and ROE for all three companies side by side. So we can do that very quickly in the Simply Investing platform. Let's take a look. So I've just logged into the platform right now. I'm going to click here on Compare Stocks. Step 1, I'm going to select US stocks. Step 2, I'm going to go ahead and enter in the company stock symbol for the first company. So United Health Group. Then we're going to enter in CVS. And then we're going to search for Cigna. Okay, so all three companies are selected. I'm going to go ahead in step 3, click on Compare. So here you can compare companies side by side with all of the information. And as you know, the 10 SI criteria, which is rule number 5A to 11C, are all listed here. You can see the rule definition for each of the rules. Okay, and anytime a company fails any of these rules, the cell gets highlighted and the value is shown in bold. So we can see that CVS passes all of the 10 SI criteria, and therefore it gets a 10 out of 10, which we can see right here. Cigna gets a 9 out of 10, and United Health Group gets an 8 out of 10. So this is a quick way to come in here and compare stocks side by side. You can compare even up to 10, 15, 20, 30 stocks at a time. 25 stocks at a time maximum. So you can do that on this page. Okay, so the next part of the question was they wanted to also take a look at the return on assets and return on equity. So I'm going to go ahead here and click on Filters. I'm going to scroll down so we can find the ROA. Here we go. And ROE. We also have return on capital if anybody's interested, but in this question the reader was only asking for ROA and ROE. So I've gone ahead and selected those two additional columns. I'm going to click on Apply Filters. Okay, so now we can see that the return on assets and return on equity for all three companies is listed here, so we can compare them side by side. You can also remove columns or hide them. So in this case, we know all three companies are undervalued or priced low. So we can hide this column, and this just makes more room on the screen. I can also minimize the side menu here. And there you have it. So this is a quick way to compare stocks side by side and compare all of their values side by side in your stock analysis. Okay, if there's any other questions for next month, feel free to send me an email. The email address is info@simplyinvesting.com. Okay, thanks for watching.